Tomano district alona kapiripirit ations na nyezde je ingongari akaulo no alwa toto adumo na ijene na ipoisi nyamata luda idue akori kwiluda ingara kineta ijule odem kane peka jaiche boroda.
We are taught on how to prepare porridge for a child who is malnourished and the mother who is malnourished, as well as lactating and pregnant. So this is how we were taught. When you're preparing porridge for a child who is malnourished, they have used millet flour mixed with maize flour and then cassava flour. So we have cooked. This is the porridge, and that porridge, when you're cooking, you're not supposed to cook the porridge which is liquid. You put a thick porridge for that child above 6 months. So when you're feeding that child, you have to use a spoon when you're feeding that child that porridge. So these are the things we were taught to mix in that porridge. If you prepare a porridge like that, if you have eggs at home, you can pick 2 or 1. Then with your D, you break inside. If you don't have eggs at home, and this, you'll get omena and milk. First of all, you first begin by frying omena. You fry omena. After frying, then you pound with a mortar. Then you pour inside and you mix.
Walikuja wakachukua ma VHT yetu ya nini ututu.
He thanks food for the hungry because they took our VHTs from Hututu.
Wakawafundisha huko na kapriprit.
They were training.
Wakakuja pia wakatufunza sisi kama.
Then the VHTs also came and trained them lead mothers.
Vile watufunza sisi pia.
After training them,
sisi pia mimi natembea kama nyumba kwa kila Tuesday.
She as a lead mother also she went and trained the caretakers.
Kila Tuesday natembea na marker tape.
Every Tuesday she have to move and screen.
Na kitabu
with a book.
Naenda nafundisha hawa.
She have to go and train them.
Na kuwapima
and screen them.
Nikipata malnourished,
if she found which is qualified,
ninachukua ka VHT.
Then she will bring it to the VHT.
VHT anapeleka hospitali.
Then the VHT also will refer to the health unit.
This kitchen garden really has helped me with my family. As I go to the garden, when I come late hours, I'll be very able to pick my greens. Even if it's late hours, I wash it, I make it for consumption. As well as even sometimes when it becomes much, I can pick and sell.
Idole ya itose project ile tutono rangor kesde baka sebem apor kesi tojo kasi aite gari kedelo atoto luda itana kete tetere kesi dam ingara kineta akorare yemut nedeja sangoro nuche.
We are using the mother care group approach for sustainability because it's sustainable. Even when we leave, we can be able to really have it running within the community. The mother care group approach is it's a group of women that have been selected within the same location, and in this group of women there is one that leads the rest. She's called a lead mother, whereby after we've trained the VHTs on the maternal, infant and young child adolescent nutrition VHTs now come and train the lead mothers. Then the lead mothers now cascade to their neighbor circle women, the 10 to 12 women that they have behind them.
They can also feed a vegetable. The very way they can feed a malnourished child. These people were taught on how to make a plant tea.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Nakapiripirit.